The reason for this video is to highlight Platinum Wash. Platinum Wash is a locally made product down on the Gold Coast. It's been specifically designed for vehicles with mirror polished aluminium, chrome and stainless steel parts on them. Washing touchlessly with this product, you'll be able to clean a prime mover in under 15 minutes using a lot less product than traditional washing. The soap is applied via a high pressure foamer. It basically gets foamed on at around 2% soap and 98% water. After the vehicle's been foamed, it basically gets left for about 60 seconds and then cleaned off with high pressure water. We strongly recommend that you don't apply the soap on a hot surface. So during the heat in the middle of the day, what happens, because the soap that you apply is 98% water and only 2% soap, as soon as it hits the hot surface, the water evaporates, leaving a white film on the vehicle because that's the soap residue. Should this happen, it's not really a drama. Reapply the soap, refoam it, reactivate the soap that's already stuck on the vehicle, and then wash it off as quick as possible. So always really good idea to wash either early in the morning or late at night or undercover. When using any of our products, before foaming up the entire vehicle, always foam up a very small inconspicuous area first, just to ensure that there's no reaction with any previous product that has been placed on that part of the vehicle with our product.